Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and of course, we're taking a look at the solar activity. We are Monday, March 4th, 2019. What will propagation be like this week? Well, we'll be most of the week in what is unsettled, from good to unsettled conditions, very simply because there's this huge mass of coronal hole here. You see that it's kind of a broad region of broken up solar atmosphere where the solar wind is actually escaping faster. So we got some, solar wind gusts, if you want, that are brushing against the geomagnetic field. So you see here the K index has been a little higher. On March 2nd, it reached the unsettled level at K of 4. It did reach minor geomagnetic storming late Friday. This week, that's pretty much what we're going to have in the next few days. K index that goes, varies from moments of being rather low K index. That means that the conditions are quite good, and of course moments where the K index might actually reach unsettled level. Even though there's been some solar wind off and on through the weekend, you could see that it didn't actually bring the K index up to unsettled, which is a good thing. But it does have some minor effects. So if you see that conditions are not always great, it could be that's what's happening. But regardless of whatever numbers we see here, always take a listen. So solar activity, of course, is low. We're in the solar minimum. We have more than a month now without a sunspot, which is typical of a deep solar minimum that we're actually going to experience pretty much throughout 2019. So let's cross our fingers that things are going to improve as fast as possible, but expect this year to be a rather low solar activity year. But you can still DX and have great reception. Turn on your radios. It's amazing what you can receive. You'd be very surprised. I will of course be tuning the bands and checking out stuff on the shortwave bands for sure, and making some videos this week for your enjoyment, of course. So turn on the radios. Good to unsettled conditions will possibly be pretty much what this week will be about. And we're only 3 weeks away from the equinox, which is the day-night period of Earth being equal pretty much everywhere. That always brings some interesting propagation. So turn the radios on and check that out, because you could be surprised at some of the station you might receive during day and even in the evening and at night. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.